Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. So today I am bringing you along with me to Dollar Tree. I haven't done a shop with me in such a long time, and I think it's because I'm still paranoid since I got reprimanded in one of the Dollar Trees in Virginia, but we are in a new state and I am going to film this shop with me, bring you along, show you all of the things that are in my area. It's a really gloomy day out, so I'm kind of just waiting for it to die down so that my mother-in-law and daughter can come with me, and then we might actually stop by Target, but that'll be a whole other video. Anyway, let's go shopping. As soon as I walked in, I saw this huge Crayola brand supply, which is really nice, especially since recently there was controversy with dollar store crayons. So they have all sorts of things like glues, crayons, construction paper, all really nice. So Dollar Tree is totally stocked for winter. They have these super comfy gloves for adults and kids, along with these really long socks. I've worn these before and they're super comfy. And my favorite, the scarves, are back. They have matching headbands as well. And these little hats are so cute with these little poofs. In other stores they're way more expensive, so it's nice to see them at Dollar Tree. These socks are my favorite for cold nights. They're super cozy and really cute designs. If you don't already know, my daughter is obsessed with skulls and she opened up a little pack of these little tiny skeletons. Speaking of skeletons, look at these adorable ice cube trays, which could be used for chocolates or wax melts, and these tongs. These are actually Pottery Barn dupes. I actually made a video on this and I'll post it in the description, but I made so many party themed Pottery Barn dupes, and all of this looks so nice if you're having a Halloween party. So definitely check Dollar Tree out. Look at all of the things you can decorate for $1. These kitchen towels and oven mitts would make great gifts for a Halloween lover. And these chair covers are everything. I thought these mitts were different, but they're exactly the same. I just wanted to show you guys a close-up. The ceramic pumpkins are so cute this year. Look at all the details that they added, and they are just so beautiful. And then they have accessories for kids for trick-or-treating, like these glow-in-the-dark bracelets, and all of these signs for outdoors, which I've already hauled a few, and look how cute these are. Such great quality. These are super cute. They're little gift boxes, but they look like spell books. And these ornaments are super interesting. They're Halloween theme, so for a wreath, it would be perfect. These little witch hats would also be great for a wreath, and these little glittery pumpkins that come 4 to a pack as well. Like I said, you have so many options. The costume section I actually filmed in 2 stores because they both had very different things, but they have so many accessory kits if you want to be a bunny, a tiger. They even have a little devil costume. So many cute accessory kits. I also found things that adults can use, like these accessories and these hats. I actually ended up trying one on and I thought it was so cool. Look at all of the detail in this hat. And Ari tried on this hat and she wasn't feeling it. This is the hat that I used last year for my Hamburglar costume. Then I moved on to the regular section where all the toys are, and this is what they carry year-round, which are the fairy costumes, the boas, the little chef costumes. For little boys, they did have a bigger option this year. They had police costumes and military costume, their version of Ninja Turtles, I guess. And then they had a bunch of pirate accessories as well, which was really, really cute. I think this is the better quality stuff. Along with the knight armor, I think this is one of the better costumes. And this is actually what I used to turn myself into a shower last year, and I'll leave that video below as well. I fell in love with these gift boxes from Dollar Tree. They are so cute and so different. And every year I do end up hauling tombstones. They are so worth the price at Dollar Tree. These candle holders are beautiful. Just look at the inside and the outside. And then they brought back the sugar skull glasses, which are so cute. I am loving these glittered up skulls and pumpkins. So cute. And then here is all the outdoor decor, which is stuff that they usually have every year. This was really cool. This was in the fall section, but they had these little wax melts in the shape of fall leaves. They had different scents. And then I found more of the little witch hats. Wow. You're so cute. These are such a bargain because they're usually $5 at Walmart, but these are colored and glittered spray for your hair. And look at all of the skull selection. Of course, my daughter loves these. These little vultures and bats are super duper cute. And then this little handsome fella. For lighting this year, they had all sorts of candles and votives and really cool accessories like this black light, which is so much more expensive anywhere else. Moving on from Halloween stuff, I did find these beautiful Eiffel Tower ceramic pieces in different colors, all so cute for a baby shower or a wedding. And then they had these cute little Frenchies and balloon animals, such great gifts for someone who does own a Frenchie. Then they had more of these sequence bins, and I really love these colors. They already have an entire Christmas aisle, which is so shocking, but also kind of nice, so I can start crafting early. They have these cool ornaments along with a ton of accessories for mini Christmas trees. And here goes all of the stuff for wreath making. And then here are the little mini Christmas trees. These are my favorite. They're so cute. And if you don't have space for a Christmas tree, a little one will do, or for office decor. Bringing it back to our current season, they have really cool fall-themed tumblers. Really nice, especially for all of the delicious coffee, pumpkin spice, and salted caramel. Floral selection is always on point, and if you saw my last haul, you know that I am a floral hoarder. So seeing all these colors is really nice, and these vines are so cool. They all bring such beautiful colors and little tiny accessories. Totally worth the money. This is the only new decal that I found this week at Dollar Tree. The frames are definitely getting much nicer. Look at this one with wood and then a metal trim. So cute. And these little tiny black ones. In the makeup section, I found these matte lipsticks by City Color, and I heard they're really good. This was my favorite find, the LA Color lashes along with the glue. They come in black and white and so many different styles. This was a new brand, which is Aziza, and they have so many options as well. I tried the eyeliner and it is actually really good. LA Colors has these new shimmery eye pencils, which I thought were really nice, and they're Halloween themed. Another amazing find were the LA Color eyeshadow palettes. I've hauled them before and the quality is actually really good. And these are the different palettes that they have available now. I found more of the curl enhancer as well as hair masks, and this is supposed to be a dupe for Gorilla Snot. I haven't tried this, but I heard it was pretty good. And these gummy vitamins are amazing. I've tried the melatonin, and I actually think they're better than the $15 Ollie brand, which they sell at Target and Walmart. So if you can find them, definitely pick them up. The food section was definitely full of name brand stuff this week. They had things from Mrs. Fields all the way to Duncan Hines, Snack Pack, Prego. So these teas aren't a name brand, but with flavors like vanilla chai, it's totally worth trying to dupe a Starbucks recipe with. I found more Crayola goodies like these bath bombs that come in different colors. I thought this was really, really cool for kids. And the summer string lights are still available. These are so cute. The aromatherapy display is still going strong at my Dollar Tree, and I think these are such great stocking stuffers. Especially with Christmas right around the corner, putting together a little spa kit would be so perfect and affordable. As I made my way out, I saw all of the fall-themed tableware and glassware, and everything was so pretty. Anyway, that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this walkthrough, and thank you so much for watching. Till next time.